Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how I program my user profile updating process. Firstly, I'm signing to my web application. In here, I'm going to my my profile. You can see now this is my user profile. In here, all the client details in here. Firstly, you can see my header part in here. After that, you can see client image and client name. And client email. In this button, update profile image button, we can click it and we can change any profile picture. So I'm giving this image and I change my first name to Sahan and last name change to Ferreira. In here I give mobile number and I give password. In here we can't change our password because we give chance for change client password in my sign in part, because there has a forgot password option, so client can go to sign in page and change their password. So I'm not give a second chance for change their password. And we can't edit our email also, because email is the primary key of my database. Register date also we can't change because it's normally thing, because it's at when client start their profile, so it's the normal thing. So client can't edit their register date. And I'm giving address. So I'm giving address for that, and I give province and I give district for that, and I'm giving I give my city. After that, the postal code, we can give any postal code in here. And there's gender. Gender also can't edit in here. After that, you can see in here have display ads in here. We can add in here some ads for ads, any companies, any company ads or anything in here. Okay guys, now we can update our profile. Okay guys, this is my backend part. In here I use userprofile.php and update profile process.php and script.js. Firstly, I include my header.php and I connect my connection PHP because I want my database in here, and I create a session assigned to you. So there has a email. So there's an email So there's a the client has an email. In here, their information show by these queries. In here I gave some queries in here. You can see that queries, and I use fetch SOCAN, and I show my output informations by fetch SOC. After that, in this image tag, I when user haven't any profile photo, then my web application show this image. You can see that image. This my web application show this image. When you have profile picture, I give use PHP in here, and I gave path. I gave a database path for that. In this line, I gave client name and client email. You can see that. Name and email in here. After that, I create label in here, update profile image. When we click update profile image button, you can see it show this part. After that, I create a label like first name, last name, mobile, password, email, register date, like that, and give PHP and database for database name for that. In here also I gave like that. Now we are going to script.js part. In here we firstly used in update profile image. Now we are going to change image in my script.js. In here I give path, and I equal for variable in here, and I give on change option in here. This is how I created image box. After that, we have update profile. In here I equal first name, last name, mobile. Line 1 means address, line 2 means address to, and province, district, city, postal code, profile image. I equal those labels for my variable in here, and I gave append, and I get output for that. In here we have confirmation here. When we don't select any profile image, my web application says, are you sure you don't want update profile image? When we in here I use Ajax part in here, and I connect to my update profile process.php. This is my script.js. Now I'm going to my update profile process.php. Alright guys, this is my update file process.php. I'm firstly start my session part, and I connect my connection.php. So I give that session assigned to you, that assign you part, and I get those things get by post method in here. And I assign to if name, $l name, $mobile, $sign line 1, $sign line 2, $sign profile, $sign district, $sign city, $sign pcode. In here, our profile image only available for JPG, PNG, SCG, only those type for available our profile image. When we select when don't select those files, those image type files, my web application says please select valid email. My web application says please select a valid image. In here I use query here, and I assign to my profile image, and I put my profile image in here, and I get output. Also I create a database in here, and I input updated part, and I give update for that, update query for that. In here, this is the guest client part. When user came earlier, it means he have information there. He was previously signed the web application. He can when that time he have to show their details because he signed early. So so I give update query for that update, and I gave their email, and when he came, client want to update their profile. So in here I gave update query for those things, and now all client can change their information and update client profile. When client complete this all steps, after that he can give notification by my notification success. Thank you guys. This is my web project task 11. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Thank you.